Good morning, everyone. Just a little meditation to get us started for the week. This is going to be a big week on the planet, isn't it? There's so much energy going on. Here in Queensland, we've had our first election since this whole shenanigan of a year started, and the people have spoken and they think everything's real, and they think that the people who are the first ones to lock us down and keep us from our families and keep us from our friends save their lives. So I was listening to another doctor this morning, and he was saying that there is, and I'm sure you've read this, if you're awake and you're paying attention, there is no scientific evidence to show that lockdowns work. There's no scientific evidence that show that wearing masks work. The people who wear masks all the time are much more likely to contract and develop COVID-19. So people are believing the narrative, and there's been a huge swing to our captors here in Queensland. And I know we've had it easy compared to so many people in the world, but I can just see the way it's going. I can just see it. So people are loving it. It's scary and interesting, and I was very black-pilled yesterday. It was not a good day. And I just had to, I listened to a podcast or a group Zoom this morning with Dr. Christiane Northrup and Del Bigtree and Sasha Stone and David Martin and a couple of other light givers, people out there spreading light, love and truth. And it was so good to hear their energy and say, we just need to stick together. We just need to say no to tyranny. We just need to stand in our truth and trust what we know to be right and good on this planet. What a year of awakening it's been. Okay, so breathe. Okay, so what I want to do is remind that everyone on the planet is connected. Every thought, every bit of love we put out, every bit of energy we put out, every time that we do something good, we are increasing our collective consciousness. Eventually, the unconscious will wake up. Eventually, they will wake up. So, breathe in the collective consciousness of good. Visualize the planet with light, love, and happiness. Allow that love to well up inside of you. Open up your heart chakra. Allow light, love, and happiness to emanate in every cell in your body. Allow that energy to encompass every cell in your brain. Allow your brain energy to spark. It's awakening up, it's hearing information, it's taking in the good, it's letting go of the negativity. Allow that throat chakra to open up. Allow you to speak your truth with love and light. Speak your truth with happiness, compassion, and wisdom. Don't allow people to smother your light force, your light energy, your solar energy coming to you from the beautiful heavens above. Hands on your base chakra and your throat chakra. Oh, these two just feel totally jammed for me. So, there they go. They're just starting to move. And breathe. Base chakra down here is about feeling unsafe, uncomfortable, ungrounded. And the throat chakra, when we're not able to speak our truth, gets jammed when we don't feel safe and comfortable in our planet. And what are our governments doing? Our governments are creating division. They're creating these crazy, chaotic times where we can't have a conversation with someone. And it's here in Australia, it's exactly the same as what I'm hearing it's like in the States. If we speak up about US politics, we cop hate. It's a really bizarre time on the planet, and we have to smile, take in love, take in truth, take in happiness, and you need to be able to just hug. What kind of a world is it when we can't hug, when we can't love people, when we can't be nice to people, when we can't smile and say, I'm a human being on this planet. I am here with you. I've got your good in my heart. So, yeah, that's opening up a bit more now. So I think we'll get our celestial circuits going as well. So that's the one where we need the tongue on the roof of the mouth. So I want you to hold that, and also just touching the pubic bone. So tongue on the roof of the mouth and touching the pubic bone. And then I want you to visualize an energy that goes from here up to here, back down on the inside of the body to the tailbone, up the spine, up over the top, into the roof of the mouth, back down to the pubic. So it's like a little lazy figure eight that's going on. So tongue on the roof of the mouth and hands on your pubic bone, just for a few seconds. And I want you to feel that figure eight energy shimmying through your body. For me, I feel one of two things. I feel pulsing simultaneously in both spots, which I started to feel, and then simultaneously I wanted to yawn. Yawning is a sign in the energy world that energy started to shift. I don't know whether I've told you about my friend Linda, but she burps like a crazy person when she's shifting energy in her body. So she will be there as a practitioner and she will start burping. And one of my long-term clients, Maria, she burps like a crazy person on the table. So some people's muscles twitch when energy's shifting. I haven't had that many people who blow wind, but that has happened in the past before. But energy shifts can be many, many things. So just pay attention to your body. Sometimes it's tingles, sometimes it's flushes, sometimes it can be all sorts of things. So, okay, now the next one we'll do, just to finish off, I've got a student arriving in a moment, is just holding your emotional stress release points, visualizing the planet. Imagine beautiful healing blue light all over the planet. And imagine that blue healing light snuffing out all the little black dots of negative energy. Just see them disappearing and the blue light taking over on your little visualization of the planet. And now encompass the entire planet and your body with white healing light. White is the color of magical energy that can encompass every cell in your body. Allowing your cells to function, allowing your cells to breathe, allowing your cells to detox, allowing your cells to take in good and release the negative. I love our planet. I love this place called Earth that we live in. I love the connection of humanity that we've found in abundance this year. For those of you who are still watching, I'm imagining you're the woke people, the people who are paying attention to the good that's going on out there. I'm imagining you're the people paying attention to the big picture going on. I imagine you're the people who know about Agenda 30, Davos 2020, Agenda, the pandemic planning back in October and January this year. So you know the big picture. But we can't be black-pilled by it. I know I do occasionally. We can't be black-pilled by it. We just have to keep watching these amazing human beings out there who are spreading light and love. We need to just keep sharing love with each other on this planet. Humanity is ours. If we stick together, it's going to be fine. Take care, everyone. And this week is going to be a big one. Love you all. Bye-bye.